yung siko niya kay Mark Kagiwa in that play. Exchanging
sa isa't isa, Calvin Abueva and Anthony Semeran.
Silas Mills nag-react ng malakas and that's it.
Shem, naghahanap na mapapasahan, going to Leona Horta. The jumper won't go. And before anything could happen, may foul na nakita.
Mark Kagiwa. Eh, sino ba yung katabi? Si Junti na naman.
Defense, ito si Mark Kagiwa. Inside, it's Leona Horta. At nagtulikling doon sa guhit.
Medyo I like the action between Junti Valenzuela and Mark Kagiwa.
Umakatak na naman itong panik ng Barangay Ginebra Kings. And Junti Valenzuela and Mark Kagiwa still at it. Matatawagan. Nag-foul itong si Junti Valenzuela. And from what we're seeing here, mukhang hindi ordinary foul lamang ang maitatawag laban kay Junti.
That was a... kita naman natin right there.
Pinakilala ni Junti Valenzuela yung siko niya kay Mark Kagiwa in that play.
Pero as Mark Kagiwa, nakita ko natawa pa siya because nakuha niya yung goat ni Junti Valenzuela. Dapat baliktad, dapat si Mark pa nga yung mapipikon. But Mark Kagiwa is really playing it smart in this ballgame.
Flagrant foul, penalty 1 ang naitawag laban kay Junti Valenzuela. Mark Kagiwa will be shooting free throws. But over, I don't know, hindi na ipapakita sa ating screen, nagagalit ito si Coach Shotang Pinsen because he feels like kanina may double foul na naitawag laban kay Junti Valenzuela. And then here comes that flagrant foul. Parang hindi lang yata gusto nila na penalty 1 lang ang maitawag dito kay Junti Valenzuela.
Dito mo, galit na galit si Coach Shotang Pinsen.
Sabi niya, teka muna, nasa na ba yung mga kakampi ko?
Wala na kapula.
Irvin Soto will be called for an offensive foul as he was jockeying for position laban dito kay Mick Pinisi, and even Mick Pinisi ay pinakausap ito si Irvin Soto.
They're talking right now and exchanging up. Nagtatingin ito ang dalawang players. You can really sense and feel the intensity of this ball game as we see both players going at it. Miski sa tingin, matatalas.
Alam mo, yung pinabanggit na rivalry has been brewing all throughout those years, ano? Sa Red Bull at Barangay Ginebra.
Substitution.
Si Mick Pinisi at si Irvin Soto naawat naman, pero of course, diba naitawag dito?
Si Calvin Abueva and Anthony Semeran to the surprise of absolutely no one.
Back when they were still wearing different colors. San Sebastian.
Loose ball foul whistled here against the Aces.
Abueva just smiling at Semeran. Mano a mano contra Anthony Semeran. Semeran diving, fighting. Both players on the floor. Getting extremely physical.
Ayaw maghiwalay. Ayaw bitawan yung bola. Ayaw magpadaig sa isa't isa. Calvin Abueva and Anthony Semeran. Play is dead. Pero wala silang pakialam. Still fighting for that ball.
That's the type of effort you applaud. This is the PBA where no one does it better. Try to leave him with a crossover. Semeran crashing to the floor. Agawan para sa possession. Ganyan katindi ang laban.
You know what, James? This is something that TNT did not have before. Yung mga malalaking katawan who will dive on the floor.
Since 1991, all 13 teams that posted 3-1 leads have gone on to win a championship dito po sa PBA. A second to shoot. Bailout shot. Yes! Oh my goodness! Sabi mo, gunner? Aba, hindi lang gunner ito. So dyan, a second to shoot. He lets it fly. Pinangga si Capasio. And there's going to be an offensive foul and a technical. Mukhang ibinigay pa ni referee Tangonan dito. Yes.
Or parang medyo punersa ni Williams yung tira na yun. And he knew the shot clock was running out on Formula Shell. Oh, si John Best.
Pa lang tinawagan ng technical. Dalawa. Dalawa yung tinawagan. Dalawang import. Ang tinawagan ng technical foul dito. So that will be 2 free throws. At nagre-reklamo pa rin ito si John Best. You know, in this championship series, John Best has not been slapped a technical foul. Neither has Donald Williams. There's that bump foul. Mukhang malinaw naman yata ang offensive foul yun.
Malinaw na malinaw. Although sinasabi yata ng Formula Shell that
Silas Mills in traffic. Inside. Yes! Laban kay John Best. Ooh! Another technical and that may do it. That may do it.
There was a second motion on the part of Silas Mills. At ito naman si John Best, actually, he patted him on the behind.
John Best will pick up the foul, but a technical foul will be called against Silas Mills for second
And
motion.
That's it. Ito, panoorin natin ulit.
Ito yung foul.
Silas Mills.
Tuloy lang natin to ha. He gets the basket. Right after this, tutuloy niya yan. Tatapigin niya sa likod. Nagalit si Silas Mills. Nag-react ng malakas and that's it. And he's out of the ball game. Tingnan natin. Is it the same nature, Kenito?
I would think, yes.
Out of the playing court.
You know, it doesn't have to be exactly the same motion. It's under the general concept of unsportsmanlike conduct.
Ayun.
Ito naman si John Best, tinapik lang siya from the behind as a gesture of saying, nice play.
Oh.
Ito naman si Silas Mills, napiko na.
Well, he has been very volatile. Itong si Silas Mills. Temperamental. At ngayon, pinakita niya ng gustong-gusto. Silas Mills is now out of the playing court. Mobiline will no longer have any imports playing this last 5:29 of the game number 4.
No, I still think he should. Ewan ko, dapat siya yata ang titira ng free throw, no? Pagkatapos no,
problema no kung magmintis kasi 3-point play then he will still be in the playing court.
Oo nga no. Ano kaya gagawin nila?
Well, a little cheer now from the Formula Shell fans. Wala pang nangyayari dito. Mills remains inside the basketball court.
Well, may technical free throw coming up here for Formula Shell. Alam mo, ang hirap dito kay Silas Mills as he continues to loiter inside the court. Baka magwala ito. You know?
Oh.
And he endangers his presence in the coming games as you see the wives of some of the Mobiline players and coaching staff.
Tommy Manotok, team consultant ng Mobiline, pushing Silas Mills away. Pero ayaw lumabas ni Silas Mills. Sabi niya, titira daw siya ng free throw. Pero mukhang hindi na pwede, hindi tenable yan. Paano kung mag-miss ka, dinando ka pa sa loob? The ruling will be that he will be out of the playing court.
Yes, he is out of the playing court.
Eric Reyes, who checked in for him, will now take the technical free throw, it seems. And now Mills completely out of this ball game. Hindi lamang dahil sa personal fouls, kundi sa technical fouls. He cannot even sit on the bench unlike T. McClary.
That's right. Si McClary can still sit on the bench because...
And ngayon si Eric Altamirano will have to regroup. They're only down by 8 points here. May bonus free throw.
Oo, partner. Kaya nga sinabi ko kanina, no? This game is far from settled. Kanya sayang na sayang itong pagkakataon ng Mobiline to be able to come back.
But a completely different ball game now. Mobiline playing all Filipino. Pakinggan natin si Eric Altamirano. This may be interesting.
Okay? Guys, 4 fouls na tayo. I don't want any fouls, ha? Just do a good job challenging his shots. Deny him first. If they go to best, double in. Okay? Let the other shoot. Okay? Especially ikaw, go na kagad. Okay? Get the cutters. Okay? Come on. Together. 1, 2, 3.
You can see that even sa boses ni Eric Altamirano, there is no sense of panic, no sense of urgency. Alam niya that this is far from over. This is just an 8-point lead. Although it's a mountain to climb with no imports playing on their side.